How to change Messenger notification sound. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of the same old notification sound on Messenger and you want to switch things up, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your notification sound on Messenger so it does not keep dinging at your friends. Now, let's get started. In order to do that, you need to simply open your Messenger app. Once you're in the app, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the menu option, that is three horizontal lines. You need to simply tap on it. From the menu option, you can see the settings over here. Simply tap on settings. Now you need to scroll down until you see notifications and sounds option. Now simply tap on notifications and sound. From here, in the notification preferences, you can see the text tone option. So simply tap on that. If you want to change, you can simply select from the list of the sounds that are present here. Let me switch to this one. And once I have done that, you've successfully changed your Messenger notification sound. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Let us know in the comment below what sound you chose. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.